Welcome to my world of magic. Today we have a special video because I am going to be unpackaging a box that I received in the mail from the United States as part of a package swap that I did with the CrissyOShow. And stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you a link so that you can see the box being opened that I sent to her. And I'll also include links to her channel so you can check her out and see what it is that she does. She does a lot of work with special needs kids and music, a lot of community type things. So make sure to check out her website and see what she's doing. And remember, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button because that's how all of this works. So let's go ahead and open the package. I have not looked inside of this yet, so I really don't know what's inside. I've cut the edges, but this here is still sealed to make it easier for doing this on video. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what I was sent from the homeland. All right. First thing I see is something that I am going to be taking with me on Wednesday when I go and see The Lion King. Whoppers. Or maybe I should turn this the right side up. Whoppers. Boy, I don't remember ever seeing these available in Finland. And I used to love getting these when I went to the movies. So this and The Lion King on Wednesday. That's what's going to happen with that one. I see something else. Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces. This is another thing that I haven't seen available in Finland. We have just recently, like within the last year, year and a half, have gotten Reese's Cups. But I haven't seen the Reese's Pieces. So again, that's a nice little thing from home that we don't have here in Finland. But, oh, there you go. Something else. All of this is like movie stuff for me, which is cool because I go to the movie as much as I possibly can. Junior Mints. And something else that I used to love getting in the U.S. when I went to the movies. Also, one of my favorite scenes from the Seinfeld show when they're doing the surgery and Kramer drops the Junior Mint into the patient that's having surgery done on them. Junior Mints. Okay. I'm going to have to be going to a lot of movies, I think, with all of this kind of stuff. All right. Let's see what this is. Wrapped. Just get rid of that. Milky Way Simply Caramel. I've not had this. I don't remember ever having that. That's going to be interesting. I like Milky Way. And Snickers, the bite-sized Snickers. I really am going to be having to go to a lot of movies because this is going to be movie food for me. And the mini Hershey bars. Oh, and these ones have the almonds. They do have Hershey bars here in Finland. They cost like €2 a piece, which is, I suppose, a little more than $2 a piece, $2 American dollars a piece. But none with the almonds. They don't have the ones with the almonds. And this was my favorite of the Hershey bars with the almonds when I was in the U.S. So, Snickers, Milky Way. We have Milky Way, but we don't have the Simply Caramel. So that's nice. All right. I think I might have to find someone to share this with, though. The news from home. I'll probably actually spend some time reading through some of this newspaper after I'm done here. Okay, let's see. Oh, Milk Duds. Whoppers and Milk Duds. Boy, I can't even remember the last time that I had Milk Duds. Wow. Again, this is all stuff that takes me back to going to the movies. So, wow. Wow. I'm going to have fun at the movies. And, ooh. Uh-huh. Wow. Speaking of movies, we just went to see this a month or so ago. Shazam. And this is a comic book of Shazam. And properly bagged and boarded. Thank you very much. I don't think I've ever read one of the Shazam comic books, so this is going to be fun to read. I actually have a lot of comic books down in this cupboard right here, which you can't see what I'm pointing at because of the box. But thank you very much. I really like comics. So this is going to be something I enjoy too. All right. Put this here, I guess. All right. I see in the box something that I wanted. But I'm going to save it to last because if it had been the only thing in this box, I would have been the happiest man in the world. If it was the only thing. But I'm going to save that to last because I see it there and I'm already excited about that. So let's see. I'm going to open this. Yeah, all right. And there we have a Funko of Cousin It. Wow. All that hair, all this hair, not there. Cousin It got it all. Thank you very much. I do not have Cousin It. I have a lot of pops. I don't know how much of them are in the screen here, but I have a lot of pops up here. But not a Cousin It. And I check out the Funko Pops here in the stores quite often, actually several times a week. I have never seen this in Finland. I'm not even sure if I've seen any of the Addams Family series in Finland. So thank you very much. That is a cute little addition to my pop collection. Thank you. All right. Here it is. Can you guess what it is that to me is the most treasured thing from the United States of America? Something that is completely impossible to get here. And I've asked, because there's a couple companies that actually sell American products here, and I've asked them to get it, and they have not been able to. It's right in here, and it is Captain Crunch Berries. Not just Captain Crunch, Captain Crunch Berries. This is my favorite way to eat sugar in the entire world. So, that, I'm pretty sure that's the end of the box. Yeah, that's the end of the box. And there is the little collection of what was sent to me by the CrissyOShow. Thank you very much, guys. I'm telling you, this is going to be going with me to the movies over the next few movie times that we go. And the first one is going to be Lion King on this Wednesday. And I might just have to drop these in a box and reach in and just grab one to see which one I take with me. Thank you very much for these Tastes of America. I do know the one difference between my box and the box you sent me is that I will like every single flavor that you sent me in this box. But I had to send you the flavors of Finland so that you could see what Finnish people actually like and what they eat as far as candy. So you've had that experience, and I'm going to put a link to both the opening of the box and also to their reactions of tasting some of those things that I sent them from Finland. I think you will find it quite funny. And I have a feeling there was some colorful adjectives that were used in that second tasting video that were cut. But I hope that you had fun with that box and with those Finnish treats. I know that I'm going to have a lot of fun from the things that you sent me here today. Thank you very much to the CrissyOShow, and stick around, and we're going to leave all of her contact information so that you can go to her channel, see what she does, give her a subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And with that, we are off, and as I always say, make sure to look for the magic wherever you are.